Hello and welcome. How are you all doing? And we are back from Bangalore after a beautiful show. And what a lovely city. It's so good to meet so many of you. So thank you so much for the fabulous experience of Bangalore. And yes, for everyone else, we are going to take care of all the light issues and show you some grand, beautiful pieces. Of course, the new pieces of Rosanna also coming up in this live. This is going to be one great live showing you Bandi, Georgette, tissue, just about a little bit of everything. That's what you're going to be seeing. Okay, so one thing, big apologies for turning up a few minutes late. I think, I'm almost 8 minutes late. Honestly, we just missed that time frame. So sorry for that. I think it's never happened that we're 8 minutes late. Anyways, we are here to be showing you all of these fabulous pieces. The first thing that I'm going to be doing, can we just increase the cooling? Okay, the first thing that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be showing you some amazing colors in satin silk. Now, this satin silk that I'm wearing, it's a double satin silk fabric. The width is 36, and we're going to be showing you some amazing colors that are still available in this kind of fabric. Okay, now I could have done an organza dupatta with it, so I will show you that as well, but for now I've chosen this very lovely, very pretty dupatta, and look at that. It's such a beautiful, this whole corner design right there in it. I think it looks really incredible. So that's the design that I'm wearing with it, and I will show you the colors in. Okay, let me just get ready and show you. As you can imagine, our pieces have just arrived from Bangalore. It's been a crazy day today, but so glad and so happy to be doing all of this. Now look at that. That's the lovely, stunning dupatta. And I think this whole contrast is just fabulous. I think it looks really good with it. That's, look at that, the beauty of the dupatta. So this is one way of wearing this particular fabric. ये जो fabric मैंने पहना हुआ है, इसका last cut मेरे पास है. So I think it's just enough for the top and bottom. So वो भी मैं आपको दिखा दूंगी very quickly, a glimpse of it. That's the last cut that I have available of it. So you can go for it now. Okay. अच्छा, दूसरी बात है कि एक ये हो गया contrast look. दूसरा आप कर सकते हैं a same on same look, which is going to be like this, and this is an organza dupatta with some scallop with some detailing. So if you're looking for a lighter look, then this is also a great option for the dupatta. And of course, if you're going to go all in, then that's always there, like a contrast like this or some others that I'm going to be showing you. Chale, let's show you the beautiful colors that are available of this particular piece. And you're going to see they are just lovely. Now this one is a cream, this is a gold, so it's like it's actually a cream color, but because this is such a fabulous fabric, you're going to be seeing, look at that, that's the fabric. Okay, that's this amazing fabric. Guys, the season launch has started. It's so much excitement here at our studio. There is so much that we made for you, and we are now finally getting the chance to show you. So that's really keeping us very pepped up. And of course, we've just done our first show and met so many of you, so much love coming our way. So yes, the tempo is really high, it's really good, and we are very happy with it. और सबसे बड़ी बात ये मेरा 4 बजे का live है, which is my absolutely favorite time. Now you can see this, look at that amazing silk color to it. Now I'm getting to work. I'm going to put my dupatta aside. Okay, I'm going to put this dupatta. Give me a moment. Kahin na kahin kuch kai baar, it can get there. But anyway, now that's the fabric. Okay, so the ideal way is definitely to wear it same on same. That's the best way to be wearing it. Because आप इसके साथ कुछ भी लगाते हैं अगर, तो वो I can do a plain silk bottom with it, but जो sheen है जो इसकी same on same आती है वो तभी आएगी. Okay, now with this I'm going to show you 2 combinations. The first one, a little bright. Okay, it's a beautiful red. Can I also get the heavy bandi dupattas there? I think they went in that room. You can ask Pallavi. I think they went just there. Okay, so this is the combination. Like, I mean, who can go wrong with it? No one ever. And it's just incredible. because I just think that the satins are so good with these Georgette pieces. So Karwa work here, this is 10,800 per meter, the width is 36 and I think it looks really good and that you should try it. Chahe aap ab ye dekhiye, like I've done a red and cream that you can never go wrong with. Now I'm going to show you this niche wala dupatta, this, yes. Then I'm going to show you one really beautiful pastel look. And I think that also looks equally gorgeous. There was a red one, the red lotus one I wanted to show. Okay, now here it is. There you go. This incredibly pretty dupatta that's there. Or iske saath, aap ye dekho. Look at the gold color that's there. I think it looks damn nice. What a lovely combination. So classic. So you can go red, you can go with this lighter combination, you can go just for the fabric, just for the dupattas. Let me just show you the dupatta again. It's such a pretty dupatta. This one, the price is 28,800. The tassels are done. It's ready to go out. Look at that. There you go. Incredibly beautiful, lovely piece for you. अच्छा, एक दुपट्टा था जो मुझे बहुत मन था दिखाने के लिए and you know, this is my chance of showing it to you. So here you go. That's the dupatta. Oh, now you can see this incredible, you know, beauty right here. Look at the colors. Look at the Firozi just popping up. All of that in this one piece. It's got everything. It's pure Georgette, Banarsi, okay, with this incredible Meenakari work. And of course, a very fine bandhni to go along with it. And this is I'm going to be showing you. You can see this whole look right there. So much beauty. I mean, sometimes one wonders, you know, but so much beauty in this one piece. And basically, अगर आप मुझे ये पूछें कि आप इसके साथ क्या पहन सकते हैं in terms of the fabric, I mean, just about anything is possible. Of course, I could show a red to you, something like this, okay? I'm just going to see, okay? Honestly, I haven't tried it with this as yet. I'm just seeing if it works. Yes, actually it does. So you could be going for a red on red. Here you go. I will come back to that color. So yeah, I want to show it once more in detail. We could do a tissue dupatta. We could do that as well. Acha, ye pura length ka dupatta, and in fact, this is meant for lehenga. I think it would be incredible with that. 2.6 and yeah, that's the, you know, 2.6 plus tassels, so lots of length. अच्छा, अगर आप ये चाहें कि ये कम कर दें हम तो वो भी हो सकता है because there is that blank space. The only thing जब हम कम करते हैं किसी की भी लेंथ तो हम हमारे tassels कट जाते हैं. Now if you want the tassels to be done, then of course there is an extra charge. Otherwise, it's perfect. It's beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. One lovely red piece for you. Okay, so okay, I was showing you this, so I'll come back to it. That's the red color. Again, you can do a red on red. Oh, look at that. You can be doing a jacket. You can be doing a full look the way that I went. You know, I think, in fact, I was hearing a podcast the other day, and then, you know, there was a lot of discussion. If you travel anywhere in the world, you know, you will see, I think I really believe that culturally you will see everybody dresses exactly the same way. Like us, all of us, I think on the airports also we dress the exact same way, the white sneakers, the tracks, or some comfort wear, even us. But otherwise, I think you walk on the streets of India, you even go anywhere, to a restaurant, to a club, to a, you know, wherever that you are, you're at a hotel, you will see people wearing such interesting things, okay? You'll see colors, you'll see just a nice kurta, you will see a full set, a cord, of so many of which are of Indian textiles. And I think there's so much to that colors, to that fun, and there's so much, you know, I mean, it's so real for us to be just using all of this in our lives and in such a great way, and we enjoy it so much. So I'm really happy always that, you know, there is such distinct look for us when we are kind of on the street, anywhere in India you go, you'll really see that nice blend, the perfect blend. You know, of course, a lot of us are wearing Western, and the same person may on some other day wear something else. Somebody is wearing a beautiful sari. It's just so much beauty all together and so much colors and in such nice ways. So anyways, so whether you're going to be doing just a kurta of this beautiful piece, you're going to be doing the same on same cord, Indian textiles, absolutely wonderful. You know, I think just a kurta is such an important phrase, and that, you know, I think it kind of completely changes it. It's just that phrase is the right mix of being, you know, light and cool and contemporary and all of those things. Okay, with that, I'll come to that topic in a few days back again, you know, just a kurta, don't forget that. But meanwhile, we're going to be going to two incredible pieces also coming from Rozana. Now, if you have not seen what Rozana is all about, it's a luxury that you can celebrate every day. That's my whole thought behind it. And this is the newest launch of it today, right here. The first collection that you saw was from Bangalore. You know, you saw the beautiful color and the option and the bestest cotton with meenakari, and I was wearing one such suit, और उसमें दो और colors हैं, that and along with one floral meenakari chanderi suit. So those were the first two launches of Rozana. This is the third one, and if I were to open this one to you, you could be able to, from that distance, see the finest Meena work and such elaborate, such detailed work in Karwa that we've been able to do on it. You know, it is one of our finest, most densely beautiful. Look at that. Look at the placement of kitne boote hai inme. And of course, every boota made by hand in Karwa. That's the beauty. और सिर्फ सामने नहीं है, ये एक्चुअली पीछे भी इतने बूटे हैं. This is from Rozana, our premium range of pure cotton suits coming just for you, and it's incredibly beautiful. You can see the detail, you can see the, you know, amazing craftsmanship on this piece. और यही नहीं, मैं आपको इसका पीछे भी इसे दिखाना चाहती हूँ, so that you can really see. Look at that. So same detailed Karwa work all over the front, all over the back, and it's you know, just amazing that you can dress this up in the most, you know, such delicate, regal, lovely look that you can wear, you know. So you don't have to wait to find an occasion to wear that perfect piece of neem. No, it's a luxury that you can indulge every day, any day. Or, you know, you can choose to keep it like, you know, really an elevated look, add jewelry to it, keep it simple. There is a border at the front that you can wear. The bottom is there. And I'm going to show you one glimpse of it again of the dupatta. So let's show you that. There you go. That's the dupatta. Absolutely amazing. And then there is the piece 2 of it. Okay, so there you go. And I'm going to show you now the second one. And as I said, it is, and if I'm going to come closer because I want to actually show you how much weaving and what kind of weaving. So it's not only Karwa, it's not only 2 colors, it's also a Nakshi detailing in every single motif jo aapko dikh raha hai. Look at how pretty it is. And that border that you can see, just something that is class apart. And now I'm going to go back and show you this full look right there. The kurtas are also 3 meters, so that's the whole thing. 2.5 to, okay, so front, yeah, it's 3 meters, 2.5 dupattas. Yes, now I have designed this as a no tassel look, but if you think that you want to go add tassels, you love it, surely do it. There's no extra price, it's all a part of it. Now one beautiful, you know, pristine, this white suit set from Rozana. Oh, look at that. Yes, and these pieces can be enjoyed, as I said, any time of the day. You could be wearing this in the evening, one white perfect suit. That's Rozana for you. From our premium collections of pure cotton, completely made in Karwa with a Nakshi meenakari work. That's Rozana. Okay, from there on, I'm going to go on to this hot color. This beautiful combination that I have so loved, which is, of course, one is a kesari And the second one, no, look at that. Here you go. Oh, here you go. There you go. Our signature Chandrakona design and Chandrakona, design in Kesariya color. First things first. Now look at the beautiful flow of the dupatta. It's an absolute masterpiece. Here you go. But I did want to create the complete look for you, and that's what you're seeing here. This very lovely combination. Go for a plain silk bottom in Katan or in Georgette, and you will have it all. Here you go. Oh, look at just look at it flowing. It's really like air over the water. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. So that's the combination that you can go for. Of course, आप अलग अलग दोनों ही चीजों को ले सकते हैं, but मेरा ये कहना है कि इतना perfect combination you're not going to find. I think it's absolutely amazing. I love it. Yes, a plain silk kurta would be good. You can do that. Now this kurta fabric mein just dekh lo. Yes, so this is a 3 meter kurta fabric. So that's the good thing. It's of course per meter, but 3 meter to आप A line बनाए, थोड़ा सा flary, nice, not too flary actually, just the right, थोड़ा सा narrow pant से broader pant बनाए इसके साथ, इसका अच्छा A line करी, and wear that dupatta. It's going to look like thousand lights in a good way. You're going to look amazing, okay? And from there, where we are going to go is to this very soft, very nice palette, and I love it. So I'm going to be showing you that one. Here it is. So let's show you this. Oh, beautiful, and such a pleasant pink to have. You could be wearing this again, So I'm very particular about not colors. Colors आपको सब पहनने चाहिए. Of course, if you only like this particular shade of pink and you want to wear it every day, that is absolutely okay, and you should do it, okay, without any guilt. So pick a color, wear it. If you love it, that's your color. Just don't ask anybody. Just go for it, okay? But what I was saying was that what I am picky about is the light that I'm going to wear a color in. I think it redefines everything, your look. The color, जहाँ अगर मैंने outdoor में ये पहना है, it looks this particular kind of look. You will see that the fabric is, of course, Georgette है, transparent, halka sa, that translucent. And it kind of, when light hits it, it gives a very different look. So it looks amazing. Now this dupatta, 32,800. And if I were to wear it in the day, I would even wear it with a white look. Yeah, but the other color that's so versatile, that will take you from morning to evening, is this one. It's a beautiful color. Look at that. It's a gold and such an amazing combination. This is, I think, 6,800 per meter, this fabric. This dupatta, 32,800. And it's just perfect as a full look that you can be wearing. Now from that, I'll show this brown first and then yeah. So okay, I'm gonna have a sip of water, guys. I've been running late today. Again, my huge apology. I'm somebody who prefers to be 5 minutes early, and it's really, I'm not very proud of it that I was so late today. Anyways, getting back to work. You've seen us launch this, this particular range of Katan silk fabrics with Karwa Bhuta. They have done so well, I think in the last few months. And one of the newest designs that we've been working on are dupattas. And look at this beautiful dupatta. This is 26,800. And I think it's absolutely gorgeous. What do you think? Tell me about it, because I think this amazing shade of brown. So earthy, so beautiful. Okay, and with it, this, of course, I'm now going to go with the full combination. I think it's perfection. So look at that, with a plain silk bottom. Of course, surely go for same on same if that's what your heart goes out to. But I think a plain silk bottom would look equally nice, and you can do it in chinia silk. What a grand, lovely combination to die for, this lovely one. Okay, from that, I'm going to go on to tissues. I think we launched tissues. बहुत नहीं है मेरे पास दिखाने के लिए. I think it's all sold out, but I do have some of it that I wanted to share with you. And this is what. Now, this is 6,200 per meter. It's the most beautiful. Let me come closer because I want to show you the detail to it. Okay, so anybody who's asking for the price, lots of prices I'm going to tell you. Lot of time, सारे prices बताने possible नहीं होते. Like the brown fabric was 6,800 per meter. The dupatta was, what did I say? 26 800, a plain silk bottom, you can go for it. Okay, now there you go. This is the tissue. Look at ye iska jo motif hai, it's just a little, look at that. Yeah, you can see it here so clearly. It's a beautiful motif right there. Looks amazing. अब मेरे पास इसके लिए I could do a light dupatta, I could do a dark dupatta, I could just do about any dupatta that you have, okay, because that's the kind of fabric it is. If you like tissue on tissue, wear it. It's going to look fabulous. Life limited hai tissue bottom ki hai, that's true. Okay, so we are always very honest with you, we are very upfront about it. But ये भी कहना है कि दो जो beauty है और tissue and tissue की, that you cannot have from anything else. So, you know, I mean, of course, I will do otherwise a plain chinya, silk, you know, bottom with it. And that would also look nice. But jo actually मुझे दिखाना था, that's the coding of our tassel pieces. We have different codings for even just the tassel work. And yes, you know, I mean, running a business the last few years has been, you know, it's been one hell of a journey, growing, doing lots of things and, you know, trying, experimenting, not knowing that, you know, there's any right way or wrong way unless you've tried it. But I think just the sheer admin work, it's amazing. It's mind-blowing the amount of, you know, admin work one person is supposed to do. I mean, we design, I mean, we love that. We show it to you, we love that. Admin, oh my God, that's a little boring, but what is to be done except for doing it? So, yeah, I mean, that's always the thing. And, you know, I think Bangalore's was really interesting in a certain way, which was, I've never experienced that in other cities, but there was so much interest in all of you asking about our business. So many of you followed it for so many years, and such great ideas, discussions coming up from all of you. So, बहुत ही अलग experience. I think each city has its unique, amazing experience and flavor. And yeah, we felt that we've been traveling across, India for the last year. और हर city का एकदम unique signature होता है, and it's so enjoyable, you know. I mean, yeah, I love it. Okay, so this dupatta 28,800 and in Georgette and in this gold zari with just a touch of rupa is beautiful. One color that I'm so excited to show you. एक और tissue मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको. I have loved this color the moment my team had sent it and gotten it back. I loved it so much, okay? I mean, of course, our Sona Rupa, this dupatta, it's a classic, okay? It's a classic. We have made it and we have made it again and we have made it again. So, you know, that's the thing that, you know, हम sold out नहीं बोलते हैं इसको, क्योंकि हम continuously इसको हम बनाते हैं आपके लिए. It is one of our most beautiful dupattas that nobody can have enough of it, and it's just everything that you see. It's perfection in this dupatta, okay? And the most beautiful colors, but ye color to I have loved it so very much. I don't know what you think, but I think it's absolutely amazing, okay? So that's the dupatta, 32,800. Now, what am I showing it with? I think this is one of the last thans that we have of the tissue. Yeah, is that right? Yeah. So I'm going to just show it to you. Yes. We do. Somebody saying, okay, we've got to do international shows. I'm all up for it. Again, you know, only the admin work boggles me down. That's another story for another day. You know, so much paperwork happens for us when we move within India. I cannot imagine going out for now. I mean, of course we can, and we really intend to, but very soon, hopefully sometime this year, next year, we're going to be doing it, you know. So yeah, as soon as we sort out our paperwork. Okay, now getting back to this beautiful, yeah, on that note, we received so many, and I just noticed there were so many of you from the US in Bangalore on those days, and it was so good to meet you. Amazing. Anyways, now here you go. That's a lovely combination. Of course, ये दुपट्टा बहुत चीजों के साथ अच्छा जाएगा, and I think the same on same would be good too. But honestly, I think if you want to really keep it to the beauty of this color, you want to enhance it, you're going to do a contrast like this. It's going to look superb and just amazing. And if you're thinking कि मेरे पास ये दुपट्टा है, but I love the color, should I go for it again? I say go for it. If not the same one, then you can just go for any of the other color dyeable designs in this style. So you can do that in this color, sorry. So that's also possible. Okay. Again, I'm going to touch a very, so that was the tissue, those are the last left. Okay, next up, brocades. Brocades, and we cannot have enough of that, right? So, oh, look at that. How amazing it looks. This is 5,800 per meter. Now, this is a color of red. I have, I think, very few thans left. ये एक है, वही मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको. I think it's amazing. Should I show it from near? Yes, I should. Go for a same on same. Go for a, any look that's going to justify this, whether it's going to be straight same on same, something which has silhouette, like grandness, like volume, or or just a plain silk kurta and just a kurta. Okay, we're going to keep saying that till I can actually later in few days explain why just a kurta. Anyways, so we're going to come back to that, and here you go, another incredible fabric. It's so pretty. Okay, it's not very often that I'll be showing you a munga dupatta with a katan. I'm always but I've seen some of you wear it so beautifully. Okay, so you guys are making me learn things like left, right, center. And yes, I totally agree that sometimes it just looks good with katan. One, this incredible dupatta, tassels are a part of it. So if you want to just go for it, just go for it. Like, you can just tell us, there's no extra price. And then look for this. I mean, look at this combination. How amazing can it be? Okay, and we're going to make it a little bit more. But that's my whole point, After this, I'm going to do that. I want to always make it a little bit more, I mean, why settle for less? So, and definitely not when you're at need. So, here it is. Now, ye alag hai color, but when you're building up a color of purple, you can do this look. Like, you can do a kurta, you can do a bottom, and then you can do this incredibly dupatta, different dupatta with it, Now, look at that. It's like enjoyable in a different way. You're wearing shades of purple and enjoying the textures and the variety of textures. Even zari, okay, even zari. Now, antique zari, अच्छा ऐसे आप मुझे पूछे तो हम दुपट्टे कोई भी antique zari में नहीं बनाते, okay? We don't make any. So if you ask me, you can wear the scallop dupatta like the one that I was wearing. That's obviously thoda sa usme antique touch hai. You can wear that. But I think there is a joy to that mix and the match, and of course the right one, jiske liye to hum hai. So if you're going to be wearing this, I think it's going to be so perfect, so beautiful together. और उसी बात पे I'm going to show you one very different one. Pura fabric is ulta folded. Is it so? Let me just check. Yeah? No? It's right? Okay. Sometimes I can feel that. Okay, I think it is correct. Let me check. Yes. Now it is correct. Now you can see it. And it's such a gorgeous shade. Look at that shade. What is that? Is it green? Is it gold? Is it a bit of both? Yes, it's a bit of both. It's a two-tone color. And now I'm going to show you the cool thing. When you want to just wear a kurta and a bottom, you're going to go for something like this. Look at that. Here it is. There you go. What's that? The kurta and the very cool bottom. Should I come closer and show it to you? I do want to show it to you because this beautiful fabric, मेरे पास तो है ये, I wear it in white. I don't think I worn it for a long time. I should. So it's a beautiful fabric. Wear it top and bottom. Wear it just as a bottom. Very interesting look. Just wear this. I think it's such a nice color. Or add katan to it. And then the third element to it, as always, is nothing simple that we want to do because we want to give you like the best. Of course, simple to aisa hai ki ye beautiful dupatta, and I think it's just going to be gorgeous with anything that you look. And then you can buy it with this. I think it's such a perfect combination. Also, very season friendly for the season that's about to come. Okay, and then you say, I want to add a little more grandness. So this is your look. So, there's so many ways that we can do this. And we always want to show you all ताकि फिर आप decide कर पाए that what is the best look that works for me. When you're coming here, you shouldn't and you mustn't ever feel that you're feeling short of options, of colors, of beauty. सब कुछ है आपके लिए. Now make a pick on the one that you would like to go for. Okay, from there, I'm going to shift. First, I'm going to do some cottons. Okay, some incredible colors and fabrics, lounge and premium cotton. That's what's going to come next to you. But सबसे पहले ये इतना सुंदर fabric, I have loved it. Okay, and this is about 4,200 per meter. Chaliye, let's open it and show it to you. Let me, okay, there you go. मैं पूरा है मेरे पास. Now I'm just going to try and you can hear the paper also, okay? So now what are you going to be doing with this? You're going to be doing just a nice kurta. Okay, wear it with that. Add a bottom in chanderi. Add one in blue. In fact, इसके साथ I would definitely say that you wear a blue bottom. थोड़ा enhance होएगा, बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. And then you wear a ultra light dupatta like this. It's just so pretty. So this is a Kota dupatta that I have in my hand, and it's 3,600, and I think it looks perfect. This fabric with a beautiful shade. It's like a sky blue. It's not Firozi. It's just that nice sky blue. It's beautiful, this fabric. You can do a same on same, skip the dupatta. That's also possible. Okay, now the other ones that I'm going to go is this. Okay, this is like, it is blue, right? What can you see? This is blue. Yeah, it is blue, but it's got this touch of lavender shade to it. So I think, I'm going to leave it up to you. But the joy is that exactly jaisa dikh raha hai, yahi hai. To me, it's more blue, but to you, it may be a little more lavender. So, I'm going to see, I'm going to leave it to you to see. But it's exactly the way that you can see. And the other color that I'm going to be showing you, here it is, this one. So, this and this. Now, acha aap iska karne wale kya hai? You can do just a kurta. This is how the design is going to be. I think that you should try inner, plain inner. Okay, in chanderi, I think that's going to be enough. 980 per meter. Usi ka bottom, and then wear it as a long jacket, because this design is like that. It's going to look amazing when you wear it on like this long jacket, same on same. I think I should work on that look, and I'm going to show that to you very soon. Like a chanderi inner and bottom, and then this incredible pieces in ka, jacket. I'll do that. Okay. So, but till then ye nahi rahega. So, abhi ke liye, I think whether you're going to be doing a kurta or inner on a jacket, I think there's such incredible cotton pieces for you to go for. Okay, now I'm wondering what to go. I have so much beauty around me. Yes, I'm going to do these two dupattas, and that's going to be this one incredible piece. Yes, iske saath I want to actually go for the premium cotton, that fabric also. Now, we were debating that, and we've just gotten here, like we were all here last morning. We've just rested a bit, and we are back with the bars, and we have all our stuff coming in. But mainly the excitement is that there are so many of these beautiful pieces that we've been wearing for months, we've been working on months, have finally come to light. So, we're really excited about that, and that we will be able to show it to you in Bangalore. And now look at that. This is one really pretty piece, and you can see that. You can see this. This is a rankar. I did speak to you guys a lot about the detail about this wonderful piece. But jo ek cheez mujhe dikhani reh gayi thi, and you will see there's an inverse. I have two colors. They have an inverse about it. Now the beautiful thing about it is that I'm going to show you a combination which is with premium cotton, which is a premium cotton light gold color. Okay, and I will open it later. But अच्छा, इसको मैं जरूर सिल्क दुपट्टे के सिल्क फैब्रिक के साथ कर सकती हूँ, and a plain katan would look very nice. Okay, very nice. But if you want something totally unusual, take this entire than and make a nice grand outfit, and then wear and flaunt this dupatta. बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. You see why? Because it just kind of creates that base where an outstanding dupatta like this will really shine through. Okay, so I tell you so many about these classic outfits that you should have. A volume wali bhi ek outfit honi chahiye, which is like in a neutral color, which you can just like wear any grand dupatta and look absolutely amazing on it, with it, and there you go. So this one, now to some of you it's pink, to some of you it's brown. To me it's a little light brown, like a coffee color. Actually I think it's a perfect coffee color. You can see the pop of colors, and again मैं इसके साथ यही दिखाऊंगी आपको, because of course I can do a plain silk kurta, but I think this is going to look so nice, add to its grandness. And what you should do for this color, I think you can get it dyed in the same color. बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. This really nice. To me, it's like a mink color, mink, that color. Pantunga color of the year is brown ka shade, but for me, the mink shade, it's a beautiful color that looks really nice, okay? So, something like that. And what an incredible, pretty dupatta just for you to see. Look at the light hitting it. I think it's like gold. It's amazing, 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 okay? From that, I'm going to go on to two very pretty looks. And because it's the season, I got to do a lot of these pieces for you. So price की ऐसी बात है that बहुत सारे prices I tell you now, like for example this dupatta 26,800, okay? So I'm going to tell you the lot of prices. Some prices are on request. There are lots of reasons. So yes, but आप कैसे order place करेंगे? आप उसको WhatsApp पे place करेंगे order. And let me show you this incredible combination. Look at how elegant can this be? Oh my God. Absolute perfection. If there was, it is this, wo jo, anybody and everybody looking for that pastel look, the perfect pastel look, this is for you. Just look at that. It's just so very beautiful. I love it. Now this is a same on same. Okay, this is a same on same. अब मैं दूसरा जो आपको दिखाऊंगी हल्का सा contrast दिखाने वाली हूँ, and I want to do it like this. Now look at this wonderful mauvish color, okay? It's a very beautiful color. You can see it like this and just see that. It's amazing, okay? Now iske baad I will go on to this, the pink dupatta. So you've seen so many shades in this. A shade of pink, a beautiful green, outstanding. Like I love that color. And now I'm going to show you this very different shade of pink. So this is a mauve, this is a pink, and again when you are in the mood for pastel, it will not get better than this. आप चाहें तो मैं of course इसको mauve में भी कर सकती हूँ, you know what I mean. The dupatta, the fabric is not dyeable, but dupatta I can dye it for you. But I think there's no need because it looks so beautiful with the mauve and the pink, all light, all wonderful. I think it's just a perfect piece, So I think it's just absolutely amazing. मेरे पास एक brocade रह गया, which is what I want to show you. Okay, so I'm going to come back to it. Okay, and this is the brocade fabric. कुछ ही brocade रह गए, so I'm just showing it to you. 5,800 per meter. Make sure you have bought the meter that you need right away. So that's the color. Why I'm putting it like this, so that you can actually see the whole look of it. It's so clear. It's so nice. Okay, two outstanding dupattas, and the third one, equally very interesting because I'll show you a combination with it. But I'm going to start first things first with this outstanding dupatta. Okay, and this is the first time that I'm showing it to you right here today. So yes, you're seeing the new launches of Rosanna. And it's also an emotion, right? I mean, that whole beautiful, we have absolutely two themes that we are working on. One is Rosanna, the collection which you saw, and then there is the other theme is about grandness for us for this season in the right way, like, right? I mean, एक चीज आप winter wedding में पहनते हैं that season, and then you have all of these events in summers, and when you want to have that grandness, but it has to be season appropriate, and that's what we are working on. Now look at this beautiful piece. It's just amazing in every which way. Oh, look at that. So now I'm going to show it to you. You can do all yellow. You can build it up with the tissue. You can do that. You can just go for this wonderful dupatta that there is. And look at that. Now, agar aapko lag raha light, I'm just going to show it to you very closely so that you can see the color. It's a beautiful jal, single color. There's just this touch of red which makes all the difference. Okay, it elevates the look. That's why हम देते हैं इसको. So ये single look है. Now you can see this beautiful dupatta. The first time coming here, wear it with red. We have the most gorgeous red fabrics. So wear it with that. Enjoy it on its own. I think it's amazing. Look at that, how it moves. Okay, and the second dupatta in this, and then there is a third too. Each very different, each very interesting. And this one, oh. Look at that, guys. It's a pink, it's a two-tone with orange, and I think it's just beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. So katan hai, jangla hai, jal hai, karwa hai. It's got the finest detailing. Pura nakshi mein bhi bana hua hai. It's just everything that you want. And let me show you the back. So that's the back of it. The front you have seen. The final color that's coming up in this beautiful, beautiful edition of dupatta is this one. And let me just show you that. You cannot believe the beauty of this. Oh, look at that. Your perfect white dupatta. If that's what you had in mind, this is that perfect white dupatta. Look at that. Look at the beauty of it. It's absolutely amazing. Oh my God. Look at that. And it is white. And it does look like this. Okay. So it is this very beautiful color. And now I'm going to show you the perfect look with it. It does not get better than this, guys. In a white suit, in that grandness. If you've been looking for something, then look at that. Oh. तो ये satin fabric है, but और तो है कि मतलब बहुत beautiful है ये, क्योंकि white है and then there's a touch of red. But now let me show you the complete look, and then you can like give that, you know, awestruck emotion like me. Is this how nice and how grand it can be? It's just absolutely amazing. Don't you think so? Now when you are wearing something like this, you want to go same on same. There's no doubt about it. And yes, so apart from all the weddings that we have in the upcoming next months, and so many of you shopping for trousers, just so many of you shopping because February, March, you know, we just I think tend to have so many events, so many of you coming back home, like just all of those things. And of course then there is Eid. So look at that. What perfection can one expect? It's just amazing in every which ways. I think it's so grand. Now let's open this dupatta for you. I'm just going to open it like this. Look at that. Here it is. This wonderful dupatta. The tassels are also done. And there you go. And that with this really pretty fabric. Okay. मैं fabric को खोलना जरूर चाहती हूँ for another reason. That ये आपने एक देखा white on white look with the perfect red, and it's beautiful. Okay guys, I mean there's like just no two ways about it. But I'm also going to show you now something totally different with it. एक second पहले मैं ये खोलूँ now. Now you've seen that. Now can I get this red dupatta? That red dupatta. Yes. अब मैं आपको इसको दिखाती हूँ. What's the other way of taking it up a few notches? Is this red and white, cream and red, you know, मेरे लिए तो classics, you know, I just love them, excuse me. Now here it is, this absolutely gorgeous dupatta. Look at the meenakari, look at the pattern. Here you go, all of that detailing with meena and this diagonal design. 2 colors bandhni. It's got everything that you've been looking for. Everything, okay? And here it is. This dupatta. There you go. That's the dupatta. Oh, dikh raha hai aapko? Yes, now you can see it. That perfect dupatta. Now we can always do red and the yellows. We can do that. But I also want to do this. And that's the red and the white. You know, I just think it's such a perfect red, white fabric. मुझे ये ज़रूर दिखाना था. I wanted to show you this incredible look together. I think it's damn nice, okay? So yeah, come to us and I'll give you. I do have last 2 dupattas that I will show you, but एक मेरा beautiful cotton का look रह गया था, so I cannot not show you that because when I was pairing it, मुझे इतना सुंदर लगा. I said, why have I not shown this earlier to you, okay? You know, our shows and, you know, our launches sometimes can be overwhelming. There's so much to talk about, so much to show, and we get under like, you know, this whole thing. But now once that's done and that's like such fun, then I'm like really relaxed to make you so much more, okay? So it's always that day we're just, you know, on that event, and then we want to kind of bring that beauty to you. Somebody saying, please introduce sarees. Okay, now that's a route that I don't think I'm going to go anytime soon, but yeah, I love you guys and it's amazing. Okay, so always there for us. So, you know, just, yeah, that's a very old client saying that It's a beautiful, gorgeous one. Now look at that. Here is a pink. What a perfect pink. Cannot get better. Somebody was saying that day, I cannot have enough of pink. I said, I'm on the same boat. Never. I mean, I don't tend to actually wear it so much, but I love it so much. I think, for work I can't wear it because I'm always in different, themes. So, but I love it so much. Oh my God. Look at that perfection, guys. One dupatta, this perfect dupatta. अब इसके साथ अगर मुझे कुछ बेस बनाना है तो I think, okay, tell me what you think. I'm thinking, I'm just trying to show it to you in the right way. I'm thinking that this fabric is going to be great for it. थोड़ा सा इसका darker pink है. That's why it's so good, because it creates a base, but it does not overwhelm, and your highlight remains as the dupatta. I think that's why it's so pretty together. So that's your perfect combination. And in this one, you got to do same on same. There's no other way. You got to do it same on same. It's going to look amazing. Okay, the last two pieces that are coming up for you. First things first is this one. This grand pink dupatta. Chokri, our lovely, lovely chokri design, which you can never go wrong with. So I'm going to come back now. I just have two pieces to show you. And that's that. So there you go. This is the whole dupatta. Look at the tassels. Such great finishing to these pieces. And remember, when you're with Neve, metallic zari, pure fabrics, outstanding finishing, tassels done, everything. Ye to aap maan ke chaliye, that's the base of what we work. And I mean, that's always, I'm glad that when you come and you see it and that's what you identify. Because at no level, jo ek ingredients hote, right? You make the perfect dish, you need the best, farm fresh ingredients. So the same way, when you make a product like this, every step of the process has to be perfect. Yes, every raw thing that goes into it, the zari, the colors, the base fabric, the resham, it has to be perfect. So only then can you make a statement like this. And that's what you can see. Here you go. So this one incredible piece, and the very last one that's going to come to you is this, and it's this one. Yes, here you go. So you saw one beautiful pink, and now you're seeing this grand statement. Is this the showstopper? And absolutely, the only thing that can, be shown at the very end to absolutely make the most of it. Oh my God, look at that. All natural light, all of this clearly so visible to you, the beauty of it. Or imagine I'm sitting down and wearing this grand dupatta. So anybody who thinks that, oh, is it going to overwhelm me? No, it won't. It just, look at that. That's the joy when you're wearing the purest and the finest fabrics. They are comfort and style and grandness and beauty and glamour, all of it together. Look at that. Here you go. You can see that. Okay. And now just see the movement. And okay, for everybody who's worried, ki yaar, I have a very, very small frame, and you can see how lovely it looks. Okay. And if you're going to be, like if I can carry it, like just anybody can carry it. It's that simple. Okay. So, and look at the bandhni. Of course, the meenakar is all there, right there in front of you. But I'm also going to come just a bit closer. So look at that. It's just so beautiful. One. Okay. Somebody's saying, please come Lucknow, to come Lucknow. Oh, yes. Guys, I know you can just keep putting your list. We will definitely plan. But meanwhile, it may take us a while. We gotta be here. We gotta be doing things here. So even if it takes a little time, मेरा हमेशा ये कहना है, आप एक चीज try करें, एक चीज पहने, I mean, don't go for it all. I know it's very tempting. Sometimes everybody says, I want to buy this. It's so tempting. I don't know what to do. I say, we are here in the long run. Do not worry. हम कहीं नहीं जा रहे हैं. एक चीज try करें. एक सूट, एक कुर्ता, just a kurta, or just this one grand dupatta, whatever. I mean, you can decide that whatever works for you, but just one thing. Don't go for 2, 3, just one. Try it, see it, okay? And our studio is always open. आप हमारे studio में Monday to Saturday 9 to 6. हम Mumbai based हैं, and you can walk in any time. if that's what works for you. By the way, cash on delivery very much available in India, all over India. Okay. Now, when I wanted to come closer, I'm also going to say bye to you, but I wanted to come and just show you this super fine, incredible work. Can you just imagine this? Okay, just look at the beauty of it. One single white color, and it's just amazing. And thank you so much. And it was such a fun thing today to be doing this. Thank you so much. And one wonderful, beautiful piece for you, and such amazing sets of pieces shown to you, including our new launches from Rosanna coming up, and colors in the satin. I have one last cut in this, so आप उसको भी देख सकते हैं. It's very light to carry. So somebody saying, is it light? It's very light. Somebody saying it's good suggestion. Yes, just try one. It can be even a lightest kurta fabric. It can be a 2.5 meter kurta. It can be a bottom, it can be a suit. Bottom nahi. Of course bottom bhi hai, but just pick up anything. Okay, try one. Try cash on delivery. Cash on delivery का एक ही हमारा वे है. आप कुछ टोकन पे करें and then the rest you can just pay on COD. बॉम्बे एड्रेस के लिए जस्ट आप व्हाट्सएप पे आए, हमसे मांगे, we will send it to you. We are in Powai, and yes, Dehradun and Lucknow and all the international places, and there's so many places and so many things we want to do. I'm sure all in good time. Thank you guys. Enjoy, make the most of this wonderful live that we just did, and of course of Rosanna, our newest launch. I will see you really soon again. Sorry, I just went that side. I'll see you very soon again. Bye bye. Have a great day. So fun to be doing this.